everybody, welcome to our Juvanni Med Spa, and we're going to be doing Botox and a little bit of a smile line filler on this beautiful girl. Let me show you. Now she's very young, but see, skin age and your own age sometimes don't really match. And if you check her, she's really good. But you want to raise your eyebrows for me? For everybody, so that is like, you know what happens, she has like it's frown for me, so she has like a lot of movement. She's already beginning to develop some lines over here where, you know, if you look closely, I mean, they're there, but like as she gets older or she gets into her 30s and, you know, in her 40s, they will just keep getting, you know, deeper and deeper. So sometimes it's really good to put a little bit of Botox or Xeomin or Dysport just to soften it up a little bit. And that is, you know, what we're doing with her is more, it's considered like pre-rejuvenation, which is the concept that, you know, just preventing lines before they form. And that way, you know, it's very easy. An ounce of prevention is you know, it goes a long way. It's going to save you a lot of money later. All right, so there it is, and this is the first time she's doing it. So she is our Botox nervous virgin who has been numbed.
Yes.
And you know, so I'm hoping that it's not going to be that difficult for her. Ready? So I'm starting her with very, very low dose of Botox because this is the first time she's getting it, and plus she's really, really young. So once I do your forehead, you are no longer a virgin. Botox.
I'm gonna get addicted now.
Oh yeah.
I'm giving her like a slight eyebrow raise here on the side, which looks very nice. Okay, and the product I'm using on her today is Dysport. And I'll just put a very tiny amount over here so that she can get them in. So what I'll also do is, like, I have like a couple of units left. So what I'll do is that I'm going to put a little bit in her chin. A tiny, very tiny bit. She doesn't need a lot. I'm going to do her collagen now, and the collagen we're going to put is on her smile line. So she has like some, if you look closely, which I can see more, she has like a tiny bit of collagen loss that's happening around her mouth, and that's what I'm going to try to fix. I'm not putting too much, I'm just putting very little. Again, since she's so young, I'm using a Restylane, which is very smooth, works very nicely. Take a nice deep breath. There you go. So this product itself has a little bit of lidocaine, and you know, she is going to be fine, but she has been numbed here also. So this is the area where she is losing some collagen. So, and she got her lip done in August. So I think her lip is fine. It's still okay, and I'm going to put a tiny bit of that side.